Hey everyone, today I'm going to do a time-saving glam makeup. So I really want to look glam and done up, but I want it to take about 5 minutes and I want it to be really simple and easy. So I'm going to get straight into it. I've put my skincare on already. So the first thing that I would do is I'm going to use foundation, and I'm just going to use one with a sponge because I feel like that's pretty much the quickest way to go. And I feel like in this video, I'm gonna focus on, yeah, it's gonna be simple, but I'm not gonna miss out any of my favorite steps. I often just think it's the choice of product that helps you save time. So blending that in, and I'm trying to make sure that's a really nice, good match for me so I don't have to do any correcting later. I put so much moisturizer on earlier. I know I'm gonna look really oily, but oh well. For eyebrows, use a tinted gel with fibers so that you're getting color, fullness, and hold in the same one step. Brush them up. And the issue here for me is stopping before I start to get them crusty, because I can end up doing my eyebrows for like 30 minutes if I'm not careful. Seriously, poor Sebastian has to sit here and watch me doing it. I used to definitely feel like I had to pencil them in a lot more than I do these days. Now that I've perfected my shape and grown my eyebrows out, I can be nice and quick with that. Then I'm gonna go onto a full face palette. So I made this one myself on the Salt New York. So it has everything, bronzer, blush, lips, cheeks, all in this one palette. So I'm gonna just use this from now on, except for my like mascara and stuff. So I'm just gonna take the highlighter one and put that on my eyes as my eyeshadow. Then I'm gonna use this rose blush. And honestly, at this point in both my life and in the tutorial, fingers are just the fastest, easiest way, and especially with creams. Highlighter. So because everything's in the one palette, it really cuts down time. Then just a pencil eyeliner because it's a lot more forgiving than liquid or gel or anything like that. And this one's not waterproof, so I can smudge it out at any point. And because there's cream on my eye, it's really easy to blend that out. See, I went too much there. It's really easy to manipulate. You do just have to be diligent because it will obviously crease if you didn't put primer on. For mascara, I'm using one that's really lengthening and doesn't clump easily. Now, I know this might not be the same for all of you, but over the years, I've become a pro at applying lashes. I can put them on in seconds. So I'm gonna pop these on, and they're corner lashes, so they're even easier. These are the Sweed lashes by Nikki Makeup Sultry Corner Lash. To save yourself time when trying to stick them to your eye, I like to give them a little stretch, a little workout, so that they're really flexible when I go to actually stick them on my eyeball, on my eyelid, not eyeball. And I really stuck them well out on the edge and then pinched them together, pulling up slightly so that it gives that winged effect without me having to do a winged eyeliner. Because winged eyeliner, Lord knows, we would be here for 3 hours. Well, you guys don't know because I always edit it out, but me and Sebi know. And then resting the pencil on the lash line just to hide it, and using the lash band as kind of a stencil. Like really rest on it so you use it to get a straight line on your lashes. And then again, you can use your brush right above the lash line to get a smudge. Look at that winged effect. Now I'm gonna use the Touche Eclat from YSL. It's a really good under eye concealer that illuminates. And super handbag friendly, so I can keep it in my handbag for touch-ups. Little bit of mascara to marry the lashes, especially because they're 3/4 ones. Just gonna focus on the inner part where my natural lashes meet the inner corner of the false ones. Now I'm gonna mix a lip color. Just gonna take what's left, put that over my cheeks so that my lips and cheeks match. Using my finger to soften out that edge because this is more of a tint, and if it's too crisp, it's gonna be like an effort to touch up later. Now bronzer from the Salt palette. Don't ask me why I'm doing this last. It was probably because, you know, if I have time, then I would add bronzer. The lashes also really help to time save because I'm using it as like a guide or a stencil for the liner. I'm just resting the brush on it so I don't have to actually do the straight line by hand. So just do it rough, put on your false lashes, and then use the band of the lashes to rest the brush on top so that you're getting a nice straight line with the smudging. Now I'm gonna do a very light dusting of powder just on my T-zone because I was using all creams, so things are getting pretty glowy in here. Now it was a hot day, so I'm gonna add dry shampoo. Just massaging it in. I feel like whenever I first put dry shampoo on, I'm like, oh, that didn't do anything, but you really have to wait till you see it absorb all the oil. And so that gives me instant volume, and I just want to wear my hair like natural like this. And that is it. Very quick, very simple, easy makeup look that still looks a little bit glam. It's perfect for busy parents, it's perfect for lazy girls like me, and it's perfect for people like after work or trying to get ready in the car. I feel like you could easily get this done in 5 minutes in the car, and you would only have to pack like a couple of products. The palette that I use is huge, but I could have found like a smaller version, but I wanted to try it. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 products. So that's like the brow gel that gets your eyebrows done in one hit. False eyelashes give you the winged eye effect and also help you in getting your eyeliner straight. And then a palette like this is awesome because it has all the colors that you need in one. This one also looks like a clutch, so if you wanted to wear it out and about, you could, and then you've got all your products in here, but then where do you put your credit card? Seba, that's what you're for. Guys, you've probably noticed a little bit of an evolution on my channel. I feel like as I creep closer to 30, and I'm turning 30 in December this year, my love of beauty has stayed constant, but I feel like my makeup ethos has changed a lot since I first started my channel. I'm all about what's gonna save me time, save me money, and save me energy, and just, I don't like having to think. So multi-use products and easy breezy all the way. That's how I am now. So thank you guys for watching. I did want to do a quick giveaway. Hold on, Sebi. Now for the giveaway in this video, I'm going to give you the brow microfilling pen from Benefit. I have all the colors, so if you're not medium brown, fear not. I have blonde, I have black, I have all the colors in between, so whoever wins will get to choose their color and I'll send them an eyebrow pen. This is a really good eyebrow pen. So yeah, just subscribe, turn the notifications on, and then leave a comment in the first 24 hours and I'll pick someone to win that. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you next time.